Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to open File Explorer in user's personal OneDrive on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To open File Explorer in user's personal OneDrive on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. Click on three-dot icon to see more. Now click on Options. In Folder Options, click on General tab and you will find the first option, Open File Explorer 2. And by default, Home is selected. Click on the drop down here. And here you will find the username and personal. Select username and personal. And now click on Apply. Then click OK. Close the File Explorer. Open File Explorer again. Now look, File Explorer is opening OneDrive user's personal folder in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.